Private Python 2019 Enterprises Incorporated presents Dark Penny Crygor puts Penny Crygor's phone in the garbage disposal / grounded. And this is my first episode of Dark Penny Crygor gets grounded, and yes, she is living with Penny Crygor and her grandfather, which is Dr. Crygor. But anyways, enjoy!
Ah, yes. Perfect. I am going to put Penny Crygor's phone in the garbage disposal because it is useless. Ha 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 ha.
When Dark Penny Crygor got to the kitchen.
Now that I'm in the kitchen, I am going to put Penny Crygor's phone in the garbage disposal. Alright, now it's time to shred Penny Crygor's phone to finish. Yes, I put Penny Crygor's phone in the garbage disposal. Yes, I put Penny Crygor's phone in the garbage disposal. Yes, I put Penny Crygor's phone in the garbage disposal.
Hey, Dark Penny Crygor, why are you up so early? It is 8:18 in the morning.
And second off, where's my phone?
Well, you are going to be so furious when I tell you, but I put your phone in the garbage disposal.
Oh, G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Roar. Oh, my freaking God, Dark freaking idiot, moron, retarded, bald-ass phone in the garbage disposal. Penny Crygor, how freaking dare you put my phone in the garbage disposal? Now I have to buy a new one, thanks to you. This phone costed me $65.
That's it. You are grounded for 67 decades. Go to your room, right now.
Wow.